More than 2 million years ago, the book named Surya Samhita was developed in India, mentioning about standard time. It considered Ujjain as prime meridian and divided the whole time frame into 5 parts. Interestingly, that included Truti, also known as microsecond in the modern world. But how did we move from considering Ujjain as center of the world to Greenwich, London? Why did Greenwich Mean Time become universally adapted time, and what is the importance of this day in context with Indian Standard Time? Let's dive down into the history and see the chronology. In 18th century, Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur constructed 5 Jantar Mantar in total in Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Mathura and Varanasi. They were completed between 1724 and 1735. Jantar Mantar could calculate the time up to half second. However, Jantar Mantar being sundial could not provide the unified time zone for big country like India. With arrival of British and establishment of the control of East India Company, there was rapid development of railways in India. The Indian railway companies had to contend with different local times as rapidly expanding routes extended out from Bombay to Calcutta and Lahore and Madras. Towards the end of 1860s, the situation became even more confused as the networks linked up. In 1870, to overcome the problem occurring, Madras time was adopted by all railways as Madras was roughly mid between those Calcutta and Bombay. However, Bombay and Calcutta retained their local time. In Britain also, the Great Western Railway had standardized time by 1840 and in 1847. In United States, the problem were much more severe. One table showing 100 local times are varying by more than 3 hours. You can see that table on your screen as well. An enabling act was passed in United States in August 1882 that authorized the president to call international conference to fix and recommend the universal adoption of common prime meridian. Chester Arthur, the 21st President of United States, had decided to issue the interventions to what is now known as International Meridian Conference. The conference took place in October 1884 and was attended by 41 delegates from 25 nations. There were 7 resolutions passed in that conference, primarily comprising that there will be single meridian time for all nations and there will be single meridian passing through Observatory of Greenwich as the initial median of longitude. Britain was chosen as the center of the world, being superpower at that time. However, Britain's rival France continued to consider Paris as center of the world, but later France also adapted Britain as the center, aligning with rest of the world. In 1884, when time zones across the world were being established, it was decided that India will have 2 time zones. Bombay time, which was 4 hours 51 minutes ahead of GMT, and Calcutta time, 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Another time zone, the Port Blair time zone established, which was 49 minutes and 51 seconds ahead of Madras time. However, in 1906, the British adopted single time zone for India using 82.5 degree meridian. After independence in 1947, the Union Government of India established IST, that is Indian Standard Time, as official time for the whole country today. That is 1st September 1947. Although Kolkata and Mumbai retained their local time until 1948 and 1955 respectively. The central observatory was moved from Chennai in Prayagraj so that it would be as close as to UTC plus 5 as possible. On that note, thank you for watching the video and please share it with your friends and family if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.